Hello everyone, welcome back to SFDC Ninja, and I'm back with 21st scenario of Apex Trigger scenario series. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before going to scenario, let's take a moment to understand the object model for today's scenario. In today's scenario, four objects are being used. Let's understand how they are connected with each other. So here, opportunity is the child of account object and opportunity line item is the child of opportunity object. And asset and account object are connected with each other by lookup relationship. Now the requirement is we need to create an asset record on insertion of opportunity line item associated with account. And that asset record should be associated with the parent account of opportunity line item which is being inserted. So this is our today's requirement. Now let's see what will be our approach to fulfill this requirement. So guys, what we will do on insertion of opportunity line item record, we will first fetch opportunity ID, and using that opportunity ID, we will fetch its parent account ID, because ultimately we need to link asset to the parent account of opportunity record on which opportunity line item record is being inserted. And in last step, we will create our asset record and we will link it to parent account. Now it's time to code, so let's switch to VS Code and create a handler class. Let's name it trg handler. Let's create our method trg method. Now we want our trigger to be executed on insertion of opportunity line item. So let's pass list of opportunity line item as parameter. List of opportunity line item. Let's name it all list. Now what we will do, we will store parent opportunity ID of opportunity line item record which is being inserted in a set. So let's create a set first. Set ID, PIDs, new set ID. Apply a null check on this list. If dot is empty, iterate over it. List. And let's add opportunity ID in a set. PIDs dot add opportunity ID. So we have opportunity ID in a set. Now in our next step, we will fetch account ID using this set. But before that, let's apply a null check on this set, because we want our further code to be executed only if this set contains a value. So let's apply a null check. OPPIDs dot is empty. Now let's create a list of opportunity and use Socal to fetch parent account data like this. Opportunity OPP list, select ID, account name, we'll be needing it, account ID from opportunity, where ID in our set. Apply a null check on this list and iterate over it. What is empty? Opportunity OPP. Now we will apply another check, that if account ID of this opportunity is null or not. So let's apply a check. If account ID not equals to null, and if it is not null, then what we will do, we will create an asset record. So let's create an asset obj dot name. For name, we will include account name and opportunity line item in it, like this. Account dot name opportunity line item. And now to link this record with the account, we have to do like this. Account ID pp dot account ID. Now to bulkify our code, we will not perform DML operation inside for loop. We will add this record in a list. So let's create a list first. list, new list, copy its name, paste it here, and add these record in it. Apply a null check on this list, is empty, and finally insert it. Save this class and deploy it to org. Okay, it is successfully deployed. So we have our handler class ready. Let's create our trigger. Let's say asset trg. Now the question is on which object we should create a trigger. Since we need to create asset record after insertion of opportunity line item. So the change is happening on opportunity line item. So it is opportunity line item object which will invoke a trigger. Therefore, a trigger will be on opportunity line item with after insert event. So let's write opportunity line item here with after insert event. And now apply a check like this. If trigger dot is after and trigger dot is insert. This is to invoke our handler class only on after insert event. And let's call our handler class. For that, copy our class name, paste it here, copy method name, paste it here, and let's pass trigger.new. Save it. So basically, this only list is equal to trigger.new. Now deploy it to org. Okay, it is successfully deployed. It's time to test our trigger. So let's go to org. So this account has one opportunity on it. Let's go to this opportunity. And let's add product on it. Basically, products are nothing but opportunity line item. So let's add product, select this one, quantity, click on save. Now, if our trigger is working fine, then an asset record should be created. Let's refresh this page, go to all assets. See, this record has been created. Also, this record is linked to parent account of this opportunity, which means our trigger is working fine. That's it for today, guys. And in next video, I'll be back with more interesting trigger scenario. Thank you.